Yes, you read the title right. One of my friends asked me to change their Acer Nitro 5 keyboard with top panel. First, I'd say that I don't have time for it, but after some thinking, maybe some of you guys have the same laptop with broken keyboard or top panel and want to fix it by yourself. So this video will be a bit different, without any testing or benchmarks, just raw footage with me changing broken parts. Spoilers: parts cost 100 euros. This exact Nitro 5 came with Intel Core i5-9300H, with integrated Intel UHD 630 graphics, GTX 1650, upgraded DDR4 RAM of 32 gigs, and 1TB of NVMe SSD. Sorry for different and maybe not that interesting video from me in this week, but nonetheless, here are some tips for beginners. First of all, take your time, and for the best results, use Google if you don't understand something. Second thing, for Chinese parts, it's okay that some wires are hidden, mostly wires for keyboard lightning. I learned it in hard way, by taking motherboard out 3 times. And third tip, just enjoy and keep everything in order, to not forget something. But now there is not much to talk about, let's go straight to repair. of laptop turns on before screwing back panel, and the repair is done. My friend asked me to let him peel off the plastic cover. If you are still here, then hear me out. Thanks for watching, and I hope your laptop is doing well.